Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer and I am a registered nurse working full-time on a women's care unit. As I'm working full-time, I'm also a nurse practitioner student. My channel is about following my journey as I become a nurse practitioner, but also sharing bits and pieces of my life as a registered nurse and outside of being a registered nurse. If you're interested in watching these kinds of videos, make sure before you continue watching this one to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and also the bell notification button so you don't miss any more videos from me. I do try my very best to post bi-weekly so you know when to expect videos. As you can tell by the title of this video, I wanted to do what's in my work bag. I wanted to share what essentials I carry with me to work. So without further ado, let's get started. So first things first is the bag. This bag I got off of Amazon, and a lot of the things that I have inside my work bag are from Amazon. Definitely expect that to be linked down below. I believe the brand of this bag is called Bag Smart, and I like it because it's that material that can be easily cleaned if something were to spill on it. And I honestly just love this cream color. And also you can travel with it too, and you can slip it on your suitcase if needed. I love that it has a lot of pockets. It's got pockets for water bottles on the outside. It also has one main pocket here in the front that you can put whatever you like, and it's very roomy in here. And in here I have my first item. So I always like to carry some sort of lip balm with me, and it so happens to be Cosa Sport Lip Fuel. So this is what I have for my lip balm. This little cute daisy was actually given to me by one of my patients, and inside it's very roomy. As you can see, I've got a lot of stuff in here. At the same time, it's very organized. This is what inside my bag looks like. I have a lot of compartments. So, and here's one compartment. You can put like a laptop in this area. You've got a lot of pockets here. You got more pockets on this side, and this side has a zipper so you could put like your wallet and stuff in this little compartment. And then I bought myself this organizer, and then in here I have my little toiletry bag for work. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through all of this individually. The first thing that I'm going to take out is from the pocket where you keep the laptop in. And in this pocket I have my lint roller because I do wear navy blue scrubs to work, and I have 2 cats and a dog. So we definitely get a lot of fur on my items, so I like to just lint roll so I don't transfer any of that to my patients. So this is very essential. Not only do I have one in my work bag, but I also keep one at my work locker just in case this one runs out. And then the next thing I have, you can't go without having hand sanitizer as a nurse. I mean, come on, it's a given. Lately, I've been using the Touchland, and this is, I think, the lavender one, and I love how it smells. It's just so calming to me, and I hate the smell of alcohol, like rubbing alcohol, so I like using the Touchland because they have the fragrance. I have 2 other pockets in here as well, and I don't really keep anything in them besides like maybe loose items that I just throw in my bag or hair items. So I just have like this clip for when I want to get my hair out of my face. I have this, just a quick grab. I bought a organizer. So I got this off of Amazon. It's just like this little divider to keep things organized, and you can put this in any sort of purse or bag to just organize all your belongings. And this also has a bunch of compartments inside, so it keeps everything in its place, and I'm not just rummaging through my bag because this bag is very deep. I mean, you're gonna be in there digging forever trying to look for like your favorite pen or something like that. My clipboard that folds in half, and I've actually had this from nursing school. That's a long time. And then the next few things that I have in here are my lotions, so just Jergens. Our hands get so dry from all the rubbing alcohol. And then I do have a Bath and Body Works. I think this is also like a lavender lavender and vanilla. As you can tell, like, I love lavender, so I like to use this one the most. This one feels pretty empty. I actually probably have to stock up. Let me know down below what hand lotions you use for work that actually do keep your hands nice and moisturized and soft. The next thing that I have in here is my little reflex hammer. So on my unit, we have, it's a women's care unit. We get gynecology cases that come in for surgeries, and then we have antepartum moms, and then we have our postpartum moms, where we do, you know, post-birth care on the mom and the baby. And sometimes those moms have preeclampsia, and so one of the treatments that we give the moms to prevent them from having seizures is magnesium. And when a patient is on magnesium, we have to check their reflexes every hour, and so I always carry a little hammer with me for when I get those patients, because my unit sometimes loses theirs. So I'd rather just have my own, because I want to make sure that I'm doing like the proper care on all my patients, especially when they are on magnesium drips. So enough of that. We're gonna move on to the next items that I have in here. So I have 2 different types of little scissors. So this one I had from my old job, and I like how compact it is, as you can see. But I don't like how sharp it is. Do you see how it's like super pointy and sharp? I don't like that, especially when I'm handling babies. It makes me really nervous. I have this one as a backup. I found this cute one on Amazon that has a curved edge and it's not sharp, that could cut anybody. And I can safely use it on my patients and on my baby patients, without being scared that I'm gonna poke somebody with my sharp scissor. So this one, super cute. I got both of them on Amazon, so I'll link both, but this one is my favorite one. The next thing I have is obviously my little pencil pouch, pen pouch in the middle. And I just have to mention that the best, I mean the best, and if you've ever used these, you know, these are the best gel like ballpoint pens ever. And they feel so soft, and they have this little fidget thing here, and the way they click, I just love it. I could click them all day long. They come in different colors, but this pack of 5 came in these colors here. They're so good that I've had people legit steal them. I left one on my desk one day while I walked away. I came back and it was gone. I was a little sad. Good thing I had a backup in my purse, but they're really good. The next item that I have, I'm obviously not gonna share my real work ID, but I do keep my work badge in my bag here, and I just put it in this little slot so I don't lose it. Next thing that I carry is, I always carry a picture of me and my hubby in my bag, so I do have that in this little thing. Carry some green tea with me for when I feel like I need a mini pick-me-up, but I don't want to drink a lot of caffeine at work. And obviously I'm not going to bring my matcha station to work, so this is just the easiest way to have green tea. The next thing that I have in my work bag is a little toiletry bag. I have, oh, this is like open. Is this open? There we go. So I have this little cuticle oil pen because, like I mentioned, my hands get so dry from work from all the rubbing alcohol, and sometimes I just need a little touch up at work, and I'm just like, you know, touching on my cuticles and massaging them. So this is very helpful to have. I do have a hairbrush if my hair got messy, or maybe I didn't have time to put my hair up in the morning, then I have a brush to brush it. The next thing I have is toothpicks. I cannot tell you how many times and how frustrating it is to have lunch and then find out that I had something in my teeth. I hate it. So now it's habitual for me to check my teeth after I eat and make sure I don't go back to a patient's room with cilantro in my tooth. So this has saved my life. Deodorant, in case I forgot to put it on in the morning, because sometimes I'm always in a rush, or if I'm just having, you know, a harder day and I just need a little, you know, refresh. The next thing is just some panty liners. Nothing special there. to go along with the toothpicks, I have little Listerine strips if I want to refresh my breath. And the next thing is my little pharmacy. This is what I call this. It's literally the cutest. Let me show you guys. I got this off of Amazon, and like I've mentioned, a lot of my stuff that I carry in my work bag is from Amazon, so whatever is applicable will be listed down below for you. But this is my little pharmacy. Look how stinking cute this is. It literally brings me so much joy, and every time I pull it out, if someone's like, oh my god, I have a headache, like, do you have Tylenol? I'm like, do I have Tylenol? I mean, I have it all. Let me know what you need. I also bought a second one so I can put it in my travel bag, because this is literally, it's so compact too. It's like, it slips anywhere inside your carry-ons. It's so good. Next thing that I have in one of my pockets here is my stethoscope, and I just have the Littmann. I can't remember which one this is. I want to say it was the classic number 3. I can't 100% remember, but I will have this link down below. I almost bought the pediatric one, but I decided to just stay with this. This was actually my present for when I got accepted into my nurse practitioner program. So thanks to my mom and my bonus dad. Last but not least, I have my case for my glasses. I wear prescription glasses occasionally. I know that sounds terrible, but I do have very, very mild astigmatism. And then of course, the other things that are in my bag is going to be my car keys and my wallet that I interchangeably put it in my work bag when I have to work the next day, and then I take it out when I don't work the following day. So that will conclude everything that is in my work bag. Very short and sweet. I try not to have too much unnecessary items, just the essentials. And before I let you go, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any more videos from me. And like I always say, thanks so much for watching.